This is how you can make big profits with Algo affiliates running hair transplantation campaigns. Health and beauty verticals were always popular in affiliate marketing, and there is a good reason for that. These verticals are evergreen. Both men and women are always looking for different products or treatments to find a solution for their beauty problems. Hair transplantation is something that has become extremely popular these days, since the technological advancements have yielded progressively better results. These days, hair transplants actually look good, and you can even tell that it's not the person's real hair. So since this industry is growing exponentially, and more men and women are looking for hair treatment solutions, you as an affiliate should take the advantage and offer the perfect solution for them. Finding hair treatment offers that actually convert well is not that easy. Most of these offers are selling some kind of supplements, like shampoos and things like that, and the competition for these products are huge. However, Algo Affiliates has a great offer that converts extremely well. The offer name is Hair Pros, and what they basically do is they bring people from Europe to Turkey for a hair transplantation treatment, which is genius. The offer is also available in Turkey, so you can target Turkey as well in your campaigns. The allowed GEOs are United Kingdom, Ireland, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Italy, and the payout per sale is $210, which is impressive since the conversion rate is high. How to find ads that are profitable. Before you start running any new vertical, you should always do a quick spy session to learn what ads and angles are working the best for other affiliates. By doing this, you can start with a much higher chance of winning right away. The easiest and fastest way to find winning ads is by using spy tools. Spy tools allow you to see what your competitors are running and what works the best for them, and you can use this info to create similar but unique ads for your campaigns. When it comes to running native campaigns, our go-to spy tool is Adplexity Native. So I'm going to show you how to find ads that are profitable using Adplexity. When I log into Adplexity, the first thing I do is I search for keywords that are relevant to my offer. In this example, it can be hair transplant, hair treatment, hair loss, etc. Next, I set the date filter to last 30 days, and then to see the best performing ads only, I sort the results by receiving the most traffic. By doing this, Adplexity will show me the best campaigns that received the most traffic in the last 30 days. Then I make notes of the top performers based on the most popular ones over the past 30 days. Then I picked 2 of the top ad angles and 5 different ad images, based on those angles and creatives. Then I wrote my own ad texts and created unique but very similar looking ad images based on what I learned from spying. That's why you should always create your own ads. It can be very similar looking, but has to be unique in some way. With Adplexity, you can also see which are the top native traffic sources for your vertical. In our case, it's definitely RevContent and Content.ad. So for this guide, we're going to use RevContent as our traffic source. After that, the next step is setting up campaign tracking. How to properly track your campaigns? There are several third-party trackers out there you can use to track your campaigns. The 2 most popular and definitely the best ones are RedTrack and Volume. We are using RedTrack for all the campaigns we run, but if you want to go with another tracker, don't worry, the setup process will be pretty much the same. I always start with setting up conversion tracking. We are using S2 as postback tracking to send our conversion data from Algo affiliates to RedTrack. To set this up, you need to copy your postback URL from RedTrack and place it inside your Algo affiliates account. Copy your postback from RedTrack, then go to your Algo affiliates account, select your offer, then click on Pixels or Postbacks, and add your postback URL there. Just don't forget to change Replace Me with Algo affiliates correct click AD parameter. When it's done, the next step is adding Alpha affiliates as our offer source, STPA network, inside RedTrack. After that, we can add the offer. Inside Algo affiliates, we need to select our offer, add RedTrack's click ID to our URL, and click Copy Tracking Link. That's the link we are going to use as our offer link inside RedTrack. Finally, before we can create our tracking campaign, we also need to select our traffic source. RedTrack has pre-built templates for all major traffic networks, so all we have to do is go to the Traffic Sources section, browse from Templates, find RevContent, and click on the Add button. After that, we can go to Campaigns to create our tracking campaign. First, we need to name our campaign. Select RevContent as traffic source. Then select the offer we are going to promote. Then click Save and our tracking URL will be generated in the Tracking Links and Parameters section. That's the final URL we are going to promote on RevContent. How to launch a native campaign on RevContent. Launching your campaign is actually the easiest step of the whole process. To get started, go to RevContent and click Create a Campaign Boost. Next, you need to enter your campaign name. Select bid type, I recommend CPC, then your bid amount and daily budget. Next, for the traffic type, select Native, select your target GEO and device type. Always separate desktop and mobile in different campaigns. Once you click Save, you will need to add your tracking link as the destination URL, and then you can upload your ads. I recommend starting with 5 different ad images and 2 different headlines for testing, so you can find your winning ads ASAP. After that, you can submit your campaign and wait for review. How to optimize and scale profitable campaigns. Before you start optimizing your campaign, make sure you have enough data for that. You don't want to pause placements too early. You need data that is statistically significant. Usually after spending around $100 to $200 on your campaign, you should have enough data to get started. Once you have enough data, I suggest starting with analyzing data on widgets and targets. Those are basically the websites and ad placements where your ads show up. I recommend focusing on CTR first and increasing the bids on placements that are bringing good results and decreasing the bad ones. You need to consistently repeat these steps and optimize your placements until you find the most profitable ones. After that, you need to analyze the performance of your ads. Keep an eye on the CTR of your ads when optimizing them. Get rid of the ones with low CTR and replace them with new ads that are similar to your top ads. Find your best performing headline and image and create new combinations out of those. If you test both desktop and mobile devices by now, you should be able to tell which one performs better. Once you start seeing profitable placements, you should create a whitelist of best placements and launch new campaigns targeting those placements only. Put a bigger daily budget on your whitelist campaigns since you know those are going to be profitable right away. You should also continue to run the original campaign while optimizing the bids on the placements to locate those that are more profitable. Launch a fresh whitelist campaign whenever I discover new profitable widgets. You should also test all allowed GEOs to create more profitable campaigns and scale your overall profits. To scale even further, try the horizontal scaling method. Horizontal scaling basically means launching your winning campaigns on other native traffic sources. Since we learned from Adplexity that the 2 top traffic sources for this vertical are RevContent and Content.ad, I recommend launching and testing on Content.ad as well. Conclusion: the hair treatment niche is extremely hot on native traffic right now. If you don't believe me, just fire up any native ad spy tool, search for the keyword hair loss, and see for yourself how many campaigns are live and running. So you should also take your piece of the cake by running this vertical until it's hot. Algo Affiliates has probably the best offer for this vertical right now, so I highly recommend you to sign up and start running this offer ASAP. This video shows you everything step by step, so all you have to do is to get your accounts and start working. If you have a chance, I'd also suggest running this offer on social traffic, Facebook, and TikTok, because those are working great as well. So that's pretty much it. I wish you good luck and big profits.